I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and let's add two-dimensional matrices with Rust. So we're going to use the NDArray crate today. But to start, let's make a new cargo project, and we'll call it adding matrices, and then let's change into that directory, do a little reading, and get right into coding. So we're going to create two-dimensional matrices using the NDArray R2 method, and then we're going to sum those arrays or those matrices element wise. And so note that the sum is computed as let sum equals reference to A plus reference to B. The ampersand operator is used to avoid consuming A and B, making them available later for display. And so a new array is created containing their sum. So we're going to open the cargo.toml for this project and add NDArray to the dependencies, and we're going to use version 0.15.6. Let's save that, close it, open the main.rs. Let's add a new line or two above the main function, and we'll write a use statement to bring in NDArray R2. Okay, great. So now let's add some lines inside our main function body. We're going to bind a variable called A and use our R2 method and just create a two-dimensional array. So we'll do let A equals R2 and then ampersand. So then 1, 2, 3. And we want this to be two-dimensional, so let's do another set of square brackets. And then we'll do a new line here. Great. All right, and then here, oops, don't want to power off my machine. Okay, and then inside here we'll do 4, 5, 6. Great. So to save a little time, I'm going to copy and paste this variable and then just replace a couple of key values where necessary. Great. So let's rename this B, and then let's change the values to be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oops, 1. Cool. All right, next let's do let sum equals reference to A plus reference to B. Okay, and now let's use our println statements. Let's replace the first println macro with empty curly brackets, and then we'll just print out A. And I'm going to copy this 3 times. Actually, more than 3 times. 4, 1, 2. Okay. So this one, we don't need any kind of interpolation. We're just going to print out a plus sign. This one will print out B. Here, we'll print out an equal sign. And then here, we'll print out sum. So it looks like a nice little arithmetic equation. Awesome. Let's save this and do cargo run. See what happens. So we're downloading the NDArray crate and any dependencies it might have to do the magic that it does. And then hopefully we'll have some math happen, some element-wise matrix addition. And you can see that we do. We have our beautifully output A and B arrays, or A and B matrices, and the sum matrix as well. So this was a quick little tour of adding matrices in Rust using the ND array crate. I'm Alex, and this is Code Along with Alex. I hope to see you next time.